Welcome back to another video, and it finally happened. Motorola finally pushed the Nougat update for my Moto G4. Now it's probably the first one because India is getting the first preference for the Moto G4 Nougat update, and that's probably because you have carrier issues in the states. And so this is it. This is the Moto G4. They have come back with the Hello Moto thing again. So they are bringing back Hello Moto. So we'll see that. So let's go on and turn on our phone. And so the Moto Batwing logo is back as well. So yes, the Hello Moto theme is back, and hopefully it stays that way. So here is Android Nougat for the Moto G4. Now, first of all, I've been using it for some time, and what I really feel is it's smooth. It is actually smooth. So during their keynote of Android Nougat, Google did specify that they had made certain changes to the way GPU works on the new OS, and it seems that that is working because uh, to say on something like this device is already so fast that every animation was already fluid. But to say that I am actually noticing some amount of improvement is a lot. So the it's like it's straight off PC Master Race 60 FPS kind of smoothness, and it's pretty awesome. So for some reason the Android Easter egg is crashing. So there is a bug which is very weird to say, because you don't expect um, bugs in a final build that is released to the general public. And this is not a beta build, this is a final build. So yes, it works for me now, because but earlier it didn't really work. So now what happens? I feed it a fish. I feed it some treat. Hmm, that is really weird. Alright, so anyway, this time's Android Easter egg was not that impressive. Again, so yeah, multi-window is back. So one of the things I really like to do is watch YouTube, as well as um, let's say read something on Reddit while a music or some video is playing back. And earlier that wasn't possible, but now we have the multi-window setup. So you just hold this, and alright, so the Reddit app doesn't support, so that's also a thing. The app needs to support multi-window. We'll just open, let's open Twitter, and we'll hold Twitter, drag it up to the top, and hold YouTube, and there we go. So the YouTube is at the bottom, the Twitter is at the top. Let's go ahead and play back something, and there we go. So there's a video playing at the bottom and the Twitter working on the top, and I just messed that up. And there we go. So the resize function doesn't really work. It's just to snap apps back to their full screen mode. But I would have liked it to be, have an option to resize them. But it's fine, I guess. What else? So the cards in the multi-view are actually a bit longer, which I don't necessarily like, but fine, whatever. Um, there's not a lot new from coming from Marshmallow, and it is definitely a lot smoother. I know I'm saying it over and over again, but it really shows that it is. So a few things Motorola did add was to update the functionality of the home button. So now whenever you can touch the home button to unlock like usual, and but you can also touch it again to lock your phone. So this is kind of neat, I guess, because the touch button was there, probably doing not a lot and just taking up a lot of space near the chin area, and now it actually acts as a proper lock button, so that is nice, I guess. Now one other thing that people are talking a lot about in uh, this update of Android Nougat is Vulkan support, but sadly it doesn't support. The Moto G4 for now will not support Vulkan, and with that it will not support Google's Daydream VR. So that's a bit disappointing, but yeah, it won't. So the camera app is practically the same, not much. um yep, it's basically the same thing. There's no additions to the modes or anything like that, so there you have it. So that was it, short quick look at Android Nougat on the Moto G4. Pretty nice, I guess. I was very excited for this update, and now I'm actually very satisfied with how it performs. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.